Good evening friends, you are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are going to discuss Ghatnachakra 2023 for UPPSC and UPSC and MPPSC and other state examinations. Here we will discuss 1 year's current affairs. Let us begin the topic. Modhera, India's first 24/7 solar powered village. Recent scenario. On 9th October 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone and dedicated various projects worth over 3900 crore rupees to the nation in Modhera. During the occasion, PM also declared villages Modhera as India's first 24/7 solar powered village. About the solar powered village, Modhera will be the India's first village to become a net renewable energy generator. It will be the first modern village to have a solar based ultra modern electric vehicle charging station. It is India's first grid connected megawatt hours MWH scale battery energy storage system. People in Modhera would be saving 60% to 100% on electricity bills. Let us discuss about the Modhera temple. Modhera is famous for its sun temple. It was built by King Bhima I of the Chalukya dynasty. It is made to honor the sun god in Modhera village of Mehsana district on the bank of river Pushpavati. Surya Devta means sun god. In 2014, Modhera Sun Temple entered the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It enjoys the same significance as the other two well-known sun temples in Kashmir, Martanda Sun Temple and Odisha Konark Sun Temple. India ranked globally third in startup ecosystem. India ranks globally third in startup ecosystem and also in terms of number of unicorns, informed by the minister at DST Department of Science and Technology, Startup Utsav. As per the latest data, there are currently 108 unicorns in India, out of which 44 were born in 2021 and 22 are born in 2022. About DST Startup Utsav, organized at Dr. Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi, organized on 12th August 2022, organized by Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, organized or inaugurated by Union Minister of State Independent Charge of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences. Let us discuss what is unicorn. Unicorn is a term used in the venture capital industry to describe a privately held startup company with a value of over $1 billion, means 8,000 crore rupees. Unicorn of India. As of December 2022, India is home to 108 unicorns. India has emerged as the third largest ecosystem for startups globally, with over 84,000 DPIIT recognized startups across 640 districts of the country. As of the 8th December 2022, India ranks second in innovation quality with top positions in the quality of scientific publications and the quality of its universities among middle income economies. NCRB Report 2022. A new edition of Crime in India, the annual report of National Crime Record Bureau NCRB, was released for crime related statistics in 2021. About the report released in August 2022, released by the Ministry of Home Affairs, the report released figures for crime against women, suicide and crime rates. Key findings of reports: suicide rate. At national level, the number of suicides increased by 7.17% from years 2020 to 2021. Daily wage earners remained the largest profession-wise group among suicide victims in 2021. The share of persons engaged in farming sector among total recorded suicides stood at 6.6% during 2021. Maharashtra topped the country in total number of suicides, followed by Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Among union territories, Delhi recorded highest number of suicides, that is 2,840. Reasons for suicide: family problem 33.2%, other than marriage related problems 4.8%, marriage related problems, illness 18.6%. Crime against women. The rate of crime against women increased from 56.5% in 2020 to 64.5% in 2021. Number of incidents per 1 lakh population. Rape 7.4%, kidnapping and abduction 17.6%, cruelty by husband or his relatives 31.8%. States and Union Territories, the highest rate of crime against women in 2021 registered in first is Assam, second Odisha, third Haryana, fourth Telangana, fifth Rajasthan. In terms of actual number of cases registered in 2021, first UP Uttar Pradesh, second Rajasthan, third Maharashtra, fourth West Bengal. Nagaland stood out with the lowest number of crimes against women. Among Union Territory, Delhi had the highest rate of crimes against women in 2021. As per cities, Jaipur recorded highest crime rate, followed by Delhi, Indore and Lucknow. About NCRB, National Crime Record Bureau, headquartered at Delhi, function under the Ministry of Home Affairs, start up and set up on recommendation of National Police Commission and Ministry of Home Affairs Task Force. Next topic is India Tourism Statistics 2022. India Tourism Statistics 2022 was released in New Delhi on 27 September 2022. It is 63rd edition of this publication. Facts published in September 2022, published by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. India is ranked 54th in 2021 in Global Travel and Tourism Development Index TTDI released by WEF World Economic Forum. Key highlights are foreign tourist arrivals FTAs has decreased in 2021 to 1.52 million from 2.74 million in 2020 owing to COVID-19 restrictions. Non-resident Indians NRIs and international tourist arrivals ITAs has seen positive growth of 52.6% and 10.6% respectively in 2020 and 2021. Top 5 sources of FTAs in India in 2021, United States, Bangladesh, United Kingdom, Canada and Nepal with the foreign exchange earnings of US 8.797 billion US dollar, that is 26.4% growth. Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu were the top two states in number of foreign tourist visit in 2021. While Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh are top two states in number of domestic tourist visit, India received 677.63 million domestic tourist visit in 2021, up by 11.05% from 610.22 million in 2020. Taj Mahal was most popular destination for domestic tourists, residents visiting in their country itself, followed by Red Fort and Qutub Minar in 2021 among centrally protected monuments. Group of monuments at Mamallampuram in Tamil Nadu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was most visited place by foreign tourists in 2021, followed by Taj Mahal. Only 1.64% of all tourists worldwide comes from India, and United Arab Emirates was top destination for outbound tourists from India in 2021. Uttar Pradesh Cabinet approves formation of Uttar Pradesh Ecotourism Development Board. On August 16, 2022, the Uttar Pradesh Cabinet chaired by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath approved the formation of the Uttar Pradesh Ecotourism Development Board. Purpose was to harness the immense potential hidden in ecotourism in Uttar Pradesh. Nodal Department, Tourism Department, Uttar Pradesh, proposed headquartered at the capital city of Lucknow, to be headed by Chief Minister, that is Yogi Adityanath. Structure of the board: the Chief Minister will chair the board, Minister of 10 departments will be the member, and the Chief Secretary will be its member secretary. The composition of the board will be the Ecotourism Development Board and Ecotourism Executive Committee. Inspire Scheme: on 14 September 2022, the 9th National Level Exhibition and Project Competition NLEPC of Inspire Awards, Manak, Million Minds Augmenting National Aspirations and Knowledge, was inaugurated in Delhi, where the exhibits of 556 students from schools across the country were displayed. About Inspire Scheme: Inspire stands for Innovation in Science Pursued for Inspire Research, flagship program of Department of Science and Technology DST, Government of India. Basic objectives of Inspire: to communicate to the youth population of the country the excitements of creative pursuit of science and attract talents to the study of science at an early stage. Here you will see the Nobel laureates all over the world. They teaches the students of India. Scheme was approved in November 2008 11th plan. Objective of Manak to target 1 million original ideas or innovations rooted in science and societal applications to foster a culture of creativity and innovation thinking among school children. The Government of India has successfully implemented the Inspire scheme since 2010. Our next topic is PM Shri School Scheme. On 7 September 2022, Government of India approved the PM Shri Schools PM Schools for Rising India scheme. About PM Shri Schools scheme approved on 7 September 2022, approved by Union Cabinet headed by PM Narendra Modi. Objective test bed for National Education Policy NEP 2020. Structure of the scheme. This is completely centrally sponsored scheme. In the first phase of the scheme, a total of 14,500 schools across the country will be converted into PM Shri schools. These schools will be strengthened academically, infrastructure-wise, technologically, etc. to showcase all components of the National Education Policy 2020. National Education Policy 2020. The NEP 2020 was approved by the Union Cabinet of the India on 29 July 2020. It replaces the previous National Policy on Education 1986. Next heading is Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. On September 9, 2022, the President of India Srimati Draupadi Murmu virtually launched the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. Key highlight of the movement. It's an initiative of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare MOHFW to accelerate the country's progress towards TB elimination by 2025. It has two components. First is Nikshay Mitra Donor Initiative. Second is Nikshay Portal. Nikshay Mitra Donor Initiative. This is also called Adopt a TB Patient Nikshay Mitra Initiative. Nikshay Mitra would provide additional support to all the on-treatment TB patients. Nikshay Portal. Nikshay Mitra can adopt TB patients through this portal. It can be used by individuals, NGOs and others. Basic road statistics in India 2018-19. India has one of the largest road network in India worldwide with a road length of around 63.31 lakh km. Released by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Transport Research Wing. Key facts about road network in India. India has a total road network of 63 lakh 31,757 kilometers as on 31st March 2019. India is the second largest in the world after the United States with 66 lakh 45,709 kilometers of the road. The share of the road transport in India's transport sector is 3.06% of 2GVA gross value added against the total transport sector contribution of 4.58% for the year 2019-20. The share of road transport in India's transport sector is 3.06% to GV against the total transport sector contribution of 4.58% for the year 2019-20, whereas the share of railways was at 0.74%. Air transport at 0.12% and water transport at 0.08%. Road network as on March 31st, 2019. National highways length of road in kilometer share in total road. National highways 1,32,499 kilometer, that is 2%. State highway 1,79,535 kilometer, that is 3%. District roads 6,12,778 kilometer, that is 10%. Rural roads including JRY roads 45,22,228, that is 71.42%, and urban road 5,41,554 kilometer, that is 9%. State or union territory wise distribution of total roads excluding JRY roads as on March 31st, 2019. State of Maharashtra. Length of the road in kilometers 6,36,887 kilometer. Share in country percentage 11.72%. Uttar Pradesh 4,42,907 km 8.1%. Assam 3,99,122 kilometers 7.3%. Madhya Pradesh 3,65,045 km 6.7%. Karnataka 3,58,300 km 6.9%. These five states with the largest road network accounted for a combined share of 41% of the road length in India. National highways. The total length of national highways is 1.32 lakh kilometer. Maharashtra has the highest national highway network with 17,757 km, that is 13.4%, followed by Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan with 11,737 km 8.9% for Uttar Pradesh and 10,342 km, that is 7.8% for Rajasthan respectively. 31st March 2019. These five states share 42.2% of total national highways network in the country during 2018-19. State highways. Total state highways constructed was 1,79,535 km as on 31st March 2019, which constitute 2.8% of the total road network in the country. Maharashtra has the highest share of the state highways network in the country, that is 17.83%, that is 32,005 km, followed by Karnataka, that is 10.85%. It means 19,473 km. District roads are the total length of district roads as on 31st March 2019 was 6,12,778 km. Maharashtra topped the state in the total length of district roads in the country with 1,08,419 km, 17.7%, followed by Uttar Pradesh 55,816 km, 9.1%, Madhya Pradesh 50,714 km, that is 8.3%, Karnataka 49,505 sorry Karnataka 49,555 kilometer, that is 8%, and Tamil Nadu 48,236, that is 7.9%. Thank you very much.